Today, we're highlighting the top 2 GPS status and toolbox apps for Android that can help you maximize your device's navigation capabilities. If you're ready to enhance your GPS experience, let's get started. GPS Status Test Data Toolbox. GPS Status Test Data Toolbox is a powerful application designed for users who want to monitor their GPS performance and get detailed satellite information. The app provides real-time data about the status of GPS signals, satellite positions, and accuracy levels. With a user-friendly interface, it displays essential information such as location coordinates, altitude, speed, and accuracy in a clear format. Users can also view satellite constellation and signal strength graphs, helping them understand their GPS reception better. This toolbox is especially useful for those engaging in outdoor activities like hiking or driving, as it allows users to diagnose GPS issues and ensure reliable. GPS Status Toolbox App. GPS Status Toolbox App is another outstanding tool that enhances the GPS functionality on Android devices. This app not only provides real-time GPS data, such as speed, altitude, and accuracy, but also features additional tools like a compass and waypoint management. Users can view satellite status, including signal strength and satellite position, while the app helps in improving GPS performance by clearing GPS data and resetting the GPS status if needed. Its intuitive layout allows for easy access to various features, making it a comprehensive toolbox for anyone who relies on GPS for navigation and location tracking. Whether for everyday use or specific outdoor adventures, this app is an essential companion for optimizing GPS functionality. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of GPS Status Test Data Toolbox and GPS Status Toolbox app helps you find the perfect tool to optimize your navigation. See you next time, and happy navigating.